What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. Join the frequent Flyers Club. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, give me a follow, let's interact on there as well. All right, now y'all seen the title, thumbnail, all that good stuff, man. I got something that you don't really see on my channel too often, but the first dunk, I did those. Had to grab these joints. Kyler Murray is my guy, man. Starting off with the box, man. It's an all-white box with the metallic gold Nike and Nike check on the top. Nike on the side, Nike on this side. Gold pull hole right there with the Nike check. And the tag on this joint reads Nike Vapor Edge Dunk, white, rose gold, and white. Size 12, man. Now, y'all may ask, do I still play football? Tackle? Absolutely not, man. I'm too old for that. But I'm an avid flag football player. I've been playing every week for like the last 13 years, man, 12 years. So that's really my thing. But we got the Kyler Murray Dunk Cleats. Let's check these joints out, man. Let's see how you guys are feeling about them. Now, here we have the Nike Vapor Edge Dunk Football Cleat, man. The Kyler Murray edition. And off the rip, man, it's an all-white shoe, man. Really clean colorway. But let's get into the details, man. Let's see these hidden messages. Let's see how you guys are feeling about these joints, man. Now, starting with the front of this cleat, man, it comes laced in a white leather all throughout the upper. White on that toe box, white going around that toe cap as well. Getting to the side of the shoe, man, it has that rose gold Nike swoosh, man, with like a slight design on the inside as well. It has the rose gold on the cleat plate with the green swoosh right there. It's like a metallic kind of color changing green on that swoosh. And it has the rose gold foot plates going all the way throughout the shoe. Has the green swoosh there as well. And it has just a disclaimer sticker saying that this graphic may flake. Every time they do these like chrome style, nice finish on the bottom of the shoes, they will put this joint on there. I had a couple of different Oregon PE cleats and things like that, and they always put that message on there, just let you know, man, it's not gonna look this pretty forever, basically. That's all they saying. It's clean right now, but it's not gonna look this pretty forever. Now, get into those laces, man. It got the pure white laces with the rose gold on the lace tips. And on the Nike tag, man, it's like a dark green with the neon green outline, man. And green is like a significant color for Kyler Murray, and we'll get into that in just a second. Now, getting to the back of the shoe, man, that has the Nike in that same two-tone green on the heel tab. But underneath here, that has a hidden message. These are Korean letters, and it means green light in Korean. That's just Kyler Murray's lifestyle. That's his mentality going into games, man. Always green light, always on go, man. I like that message. I like that he stays in touch with his Korean roots. I believe his mom is Korean, his dad is black. So he always kind of shows love to his Korean side as well as his black side, man. Kyler Murray is one of my favorite quarterbacks, man. He is from Texas. Saw him in high school, man. Was like one of the greatest high school quarterbacks ever. So him being with Nike now and getting all these PEs, he was the first one with the Deion Diamond Turf PE because he was a baseball player, Deion was a baseball player, and they both played football. So that was a good correlation with that project. Can't wait for those Deions to drop. But as far as Kyler Murray goes, man, he always has some really nice colorways with his cleats. I'm happy to see this in release, man. I thought Nike was only gonna do the Panda Dunk and leave it at that. But seeing Kyler Murray get his own PE cleat and it actually release, I'm excited for it, man. Hopefully they release his Deion Diamond Turf PE cleats, but until then, man, we got these joints for now. Now on the inside of the shoe, man, it still has that white leather going all the way through. Has that metallic gold swoosh, and it has like a green patch here on the side. I'm not sure of the exact meaning of the patch, man, but it does match the colors on the back and on the front of the Nike tab. Now on the inside of the shoe, man, I know you can't really see it too well, but it does have like the KM1 logo on the inside of the shoe, and the inside insole is laced in a dark green colorway as well, man. Pretty much white and rose gold, man. It's a really good looking shoe. But as far as cleats go, man, I was never an all white cleat guy, man. These joints are gonna get beat up really quick. The Nike Dunk is comfortable though. It is very durable, bro. It's a nice shoe. And I know you guys gonna say they're cleats that's supposed to get dirty. I feel you. But if you look good, you play good, man. Firm believer in there. I like to be clean when I'm on the field, bro. Nice uniform, nice accessories, nice cleats. These are clean, man. If I do decide to rock these joints, it's gonna be on my turf games, like in certain tournaments that we go to. But other than that, man, I just have to grab these just because of Kyler Murray, bro. That's my guy. Hopefully, these joints may go on sale soon. They didn't sell out as quick as the Panda Dunks did, but this one is clean, man. Shout out Kyler, bro. He just came back this week. Just got healthy from an ACL injury. Got his first win. Was out there looking smooth, running quick. Looking good, man. Happy to see him healthy. Let's get into the left shoe and check that joint out. Now, getting into this left shoe, just the same as the right, man. It has the white leather going all the way across the toe and all the way across the upper as well. Has that rose gold swoosh. Has the green on the back, and this one has the hidden message as well. It says green light in Korean letters, man. That's like a metallic green underneath with like the neon green stitching. Really nice there. Same there with the dark green, neon green Nike embroidered into the tongue tag. Still has that rose gold hit going across the bottom of the shoe. The metallic hit right there on that Nike swoosh on the foot plate, bro. Really clean, bro. And something that's different about these rather than the Panda Dunks, this joints came with a couple of set of extra laces. They have like the dark green, almost navy looking color here on this one. And it also came with a set of neon green laces as well. I like that they really let him do his thing. They both have the gold lace tips. I love they let him go crazy with the details, giving back to his Korean culture, bro, and just letting him freestyle on his shoe. I think it really came out good. And if you also see, he came out with a regular Nike Dunk, and it has these same kind of color accents, like white, this dark green, a little bit of neon green, a little bit of rose gold hits as well. And I'll drop a picture of those here. But they released a Dunk and his Dunk cleats on the same day on the Nike app, bro. I like both. I struck out on the Dunks, bro, but I got the cleats, so it's all good, man. I'll take a consolation prize on this one. Now, as far as pricing on these joints, man, these joints were pretty expensive, I can't lie. They were 190 bucks before tax, 205 out the door, man. So it is an expensive shoe, it's an expensive cleat. It's expensive however you want to look at it, whether you're looking at it as a shoe or a cleat. But they did give us a little extras, nice on the details. Nike cleats in the premium level with the Elite series, they always run around 200 bucks as well. So I mean, it is on par with Nike cleats with the Elites, but this one is expensive. With it being Kyler Murray, with it being a Dunk, with them having a few extras, a really nice box. I can't really say it's justified for it to be 200. I know Nike is still making bank on these pairs, but I feel it, man. 190 is less than 200 that you're getting on regular Nike cleats in the Elite series, which is the high level fly knit cleats that they use in the NFL and on the college level as well. Those are running around 200 bucks. These were 190, so I'm not really mad at it. 205 out the door, man. Have to support my guy Kyler, bro. We'll see if they go on sale. If they do, I may return them or just try to get a little bit of that bread back and try to get them for cheap. If anyone has a swoosh account and you want to give me these joints on the swoosh, let me know. I definitely will take those for the low and get my 200 bucks back and rather spend 100 bucks, man. So let me know if you got that swoosh. I promise I'm gonna rock these joints, bro, for sure. Now, as far as resale on these, man, I like the Panda Dunks, man. These aren't going for anything as far as resale, man. Just right around that retail market, maybe a little less on your aftermarket. So nothing crazy about these. Those Panda Dunks went crazy and they're selling for 350, 400 bucks. I believe they're done releasing those joints, bro. So if we don't see another Panda Dunk cleat restock, bro, that price is gonna keep continuing to go high. It's a black and white one, super clean, man. I have a pair I still haven't worn yet. Like I said, I do have a pair of Pandas that I still haven't worn yet. Same shoe, exact same model, but that Panda just way cleaner to me. It's black and white, a lot more durable, a lot more lasting on that colorway. I like the color change on the lace tips on the Panda. I like the holographic swoosh, bro. Both really clean, but me personally, I gotta go with the Panda. But you can't really go wrong with either one, bro. You can't really go wrong. Let me know which one you'd rather have, the Kyler Murray Dunk cleat or the Panda Dunk cleat, man. Let me know down below. Leave me a comment. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these. Now, as far as quality and quality controls on these joints, man, it's still a Nike shoe, still a Nike cleat, regular football cleat. They just made a regular Panda Dunk overlay, and they still use the same Nike football cleat plates, bro. So they just made a custom upper, and it's the same feel, same shape as the Vapor Edge 360. So it's still a good shoe, still a good cleat if you're looking for a solid cleat and a swaggy cleat for on the field, man. Definitely lightweight for your skill guys, bro. This is a good one for you, bro. So let me know how you guys are feeling about these. Are you a fan of the Vapor Edge 360 series? Do you like the Vapor Edge Elite? Just let me know how you guys are feeling, man. I love the Dunk. I love the Vapors. I'm playing in the Vapor Edges right now in the black and gray pair. But these are solid, bro. Once those wear out, the Pandas are going to be up next. And then I may go for the Alpha Menace Elite if I find a good black pair on sale. So we'll see about that. But overall, man, this about wraps it up for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick unboxing and review of this Kyler Murray Nike Dunk cleat, man. Leave me a comment down below of your honest opinion. Let me know how you feeling about these. Just a cop, a drop. Are you dripping, flipping, skipping? For my football guys, man, how do you really feel about these? I'm a football guy to the core, bro. This is a good shoe. This is a good cleat. If you like it, grab it. If not, I understand it's a little too white. It's gonna get dirty really fast unless you play all of your games on turf or artificial grass. But other than that, man, this is definitely a cop for me. Super clean, man. I just wish I was in high school when all of these pairs are coming out. Now these kids are super lucky. They get to be super clean on the field. In high school, we had some clean cleats, but they were just regular cleats. In today's game, they getting a lot of sneaker cleats. LeBron has been releasing some pairs with Ohio State, and he just seeded a couple of pairs to like Kyler Murray, Jamar Chase, the Fruity Pebble with LeBron 4s, and those supposed to be releasing in spring of 2024. So when those drop, I'm all over it for sure. But until then, we got collar dunks, we got panda dunks. But like I said, it's pretty much gonna wrap it up for this one. Until next time on the next video, we got the Kyler Murray Nike Dunk Low cleat, man. Peace.